YouTube video playing Monkey Labs with dun, 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 Brody.
Hi.
Okay, well let's go.
You're slow. Like actually really slow.
Okay, let's go.
Level 1's easy.
Yeah.
Level 1's easy.
Oh, I don't like the echo.
Run. We go. We run. We definitely run.
Go.
We're safe.
Right, left, right.
Right. The front of my controller fell off, but I don't even care. Right,
Left. Right.
Left.
No! Did you get the button?
I didn't get it. What? Left.
Go to the button.
Where are you?
Go into the button.
Okay, 1 second. I'm putting it on the phone. We don't talk about that.
Okay. This way, here, and here.
Okay, I'm good.
Did you get the button?
No, not yet. I'm going. Button. I died. Raptor escape.
Go get it! Alright, guys. Now we're waiting for Brody to come. Oh. Alright. Sleeve. Cold.
I got it.
No.
Okay.
Oh, there you
I
are. Come on.
think I got it.
This
Okay,
one?
I got it. I don't know what this one is. I've never been here.
You gotta go here. Turn left.
Literally right there. I died.
Alright, where are you?
I died. Go back to spawn.
Okay. Okay, follow me. Wait. Okay, we have to go. Hey, come over here. Wait a few seconds. Okay, come back. No. Okay, we have to get out of horror.
Oh, we're good. Raptor, we're good.
Okay.
Good.
You think?
I can keep going.
Okay, come here. Follow me.
You ready?
Follow me. Go get the key card. Go left and then go left again. Go left and then go left again.
Okay.
Grab the key card in the room.
Hunter?
Yeah?
Where the key card is.
Did you get your key card?
What is a key card?
Follow me.
I can make this easy.
Follow me. Get out here.
I thought I could just...
Brody. Get out here.
Bro, we're such monkeys.
Yeah. We gotta wait a little.
Alright, let me check. We're good.
Okay, follow me.
Come that way. So we're going this way now. Jump.
Come here. Get back in here.
They wasn't out of bird. That makes it go home so much easier.
Okay, come here. Follow me.
You... Oh. I went right by accident.
You have to grab it with your left hand. Or right. Yeah.
Wait, 1 second. 1 second. I have to try.
Wait, keep a hold of it. You have to hold it.
Shit.
You have to hold it forever.
Okay, I have it.
I know. Hold it.
If you die, do you still keep it?
Yeah, you have it, but you can't let go of it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait for him to go.
I fell again.
And then run this way. Run this way. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. In here. In here. In here. Over here.
This?
Yeah. Come back. We gotta go back.
No, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do it.
Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Run this. Okay, now you distract him. Go, 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 go.
Wait. He made it.
Wait, follow me. Brody, follow me.
Yeah, just go. You only have to go here.
Wait for it. Okay, we gotta run straight forward.
Are you serious?
What?
Oh. He's there. Help me. I'm at the safe spot. So he reacted.
Okay, we gotta go this way. Follow me.
Keep doing it. Oh, yeah, you wall climbing out. Oh, yeah, you get him moving like this. I made it. Like this. I died. It was a good idea, actually.
Okay, come back here.
Wait. He's right there. I'm alive.
Come here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go back. Okay, bro, come on.
Where do we go? I got it.
Come here.
Keep doing it. I made it. I'm alive.
Wait for him. Wait till we see him. Run. Come here.
Wait for me.
Made it to the end. All right, guys.
Where are you?
I don't know. Where are you? Hey, Brody, come on. We have to end the video. No.
Raptor, where do I go?
Come here. Come here.
You did it. Oh my God.
Wait, we have to end the video.
made
Brody.
What do you have to end the video?
Because my viewer is about to die, and I don't want it dying when in the middle of a video.
True. Okay.
Because then it deletes it.
Well, bye, guys.
Wait, no, we have to end at the mirror.
Are we doing an outro?
Yeah, go to the mirror.
Mirror? You say mirror?
Yeah.
Made it. What's my really skilled?
Alright, guys.
Why am I floating?
Over here. Alright, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and
Bye,
comment.
guys.
And when you're done doing all that, oh yeah, also share my YouTube account. Comment
Yeah.
done or me, and you have a chance of playing with me.
Together.
Peace!
So, see